Ever notice how cloudy, yellowed headlights can make your car look older than it really is, and also make night driving riskier? Believe it or not, just one good headlight restoration kit can completely transform your ride, making lights brighter, lenses crystal clear, and your car feel fresh again. All the links are in the description, so you can check out any of these kits while watching. Today, we're breaking down the 5 best headlight restoration kits that actually work, whether you're a beginner or want pro-level results, comparing features, ease of use, and long-term protection, so you know which one is truly worth your money. Starting off with number 5, Meguiar's Ultimate Headlight Restoration Kit. This one is perfect if you want professional-level results without touching a drill. It comes with a hand sanding pad and 1,000 and 3,000 grit discs that make sanding even and controlled, plus a ceramic-based sealant that protects your headlights for over 18 months. Compared to a kit like 3M, Meguiar's is simpler to use and includes everything in one box, from sanding to sealing, making it ideal for the average DIYer. The sanding discs are surprisingly forgiving, reducing the chance of accidentally oversanding. And the polish leaves a clear, smooth finish that rivals more expensive kits. Users report that even slightly oxidized lenses return to near-new clarity, and applying the sealant is straightforward, requiring just a few minutes per headlight. While it may not be as aggressive on deep scratches as drill-based kits, its balance of ease, performance, and long-term protection earns it a solid spot on the list. If you want a reliable, all-in-one solution for moderately clouded headlights without investing in power tools, Meguiar's delivers consistent results with minimal fuss. At number 4, Cerakote Ceramic Headlight Restoration Kit. Things get high-tech with a chemical-mechanical hybrid process. 8 oxidation-removing wipes tackle most of the yellowing before sanding even starts, and its ergonomic sanding pommel ensures even pressure without leaving grooves. The real star is the wipe-on ceramic coating, which is harder, more durable, and easier to control than spray sealants. Compared to Meguiar's, Cerakote offers a limited lifetime warranty and a virtually permanent finish, making it perfect for anyone who wants a set-it-and-forget-it solution that keeps headlights clear for years. Many users love that it works on even heavily oxidized lenses without multiple attempts. And the ceramic coating provides resistance against future UV damage, rain spots, and road grime. Unlike simpler kits, Cerakote doesn't require repeated applications or follow-up maintenance, saving time over the long term. Whether you're restoring your car for resale or just want it to look fresh for years, this kit provides unmatched longevity and peace of mind, standing out as both professional and beginner-friendly. Moving on to number 3, Sylvania Headlight Restoration Kit, which is all about precision and long-term protection. Its chemical softener helps reduce manual effort, and the 3-step sanding process with 400, 1,000, and 2,000 grit paper leaves lenses smooth and swirl-free. While the accessories aren't as plush as Cerakote's, the UV block clear coat is top-notch, providing a lifetime of protection. It's a bit more labor-intensive. Expect 30 to 60 minutes per headlight. But if you want meticulous, permanent results, this kit is the gold standard for hand restoration enthusiasts. Car owners often appreciate that it allows for fine control over sanding, meaning you can tackle even uneven oxidation effectively. The UV coating dries quickly and creates a noticeably bright, clear finish that lasts for years when cared for properly. While it requires patience, Sylvania delivers an incredibly satisfying DIY experience, and the step-by-step instructions are detailed enough that even less experienced users can achieve professional-looking results. It's ideal for those who enjoy hands-on restoration and want a balance of affordability and lasting performance. Number 2. 3M Headlight Lens Restoration System. is for those who want a fast, drill-powered solution. Using your standard household drill, the 3M kit quickly levels severe oxidation, yellowing, and scratches with its Trizac discs, giving a smooth, professional finish. Compared to hand sanding kits like Sylvania or Meguiar's, this is far faster and better at removing physical defects. It lacks a wipe-on ceramic sealant, but the foam compounding pad included ensures maximum clarity and a polished look that rivals professional shops. Car enthusiasts love that the kit lets them tackle deep scratches or clouding in a fraction of the time required for hand sanding, making it perfect for weekend restoration projects. While you do need a drill, the results feel instantly transformative. Headlights go from dull and yellow to nearly factory clear within minutes. If you have multiple cars or want quick results for friends or family, 3M is an efficient, cost-effective option, especially for those dealing with lenses that have suffered years of UV exposure or road wear. Finally, number 1. Chemical Guy's Headlight Restore and Protect is the ultimate one-step solution for light to moderate oxidation. It combines micro-abrasive polish with built-in UV blockers, restoring clarity in under 5 minutes per lens without any sanding. Compared to 3M, it's easier, faster, and incredibly cost-effective since a single bottle treats dozens of vehicles. While it won't handle crusty, heavily damaged lenses like a drill kit, it's perfect for motorcycles, RVs, trucks, or anyone who likes regular maintenance and a hassle-free professional finish. Users often note how convenient it is for quick touch-ups before a road trip or detailing session, and its compact bottle makes storage and repeated use simple. The polish leaves a deep, clear shine and improves night visibility immediately, without the effort of multi-step sanding processes. If you want low-maintenance, repeatable results and the satisfaction of instant restoration, this is the go-to kit for speed and ease. So which kit wins overall? If you want the perfect balance of effectiveness, ease of use, and long-term protection, I'd go with Cerakote Ceramic Headlight Restoration Kit. Its combination of chemical and sanding steps, plus a permanent ceramic coating and lifetime warranty, makes it a standout for both beginners and seasoned DIYers. It restores clarity efficiently, protects headlights for years, and saves you from repeated maintenance, making it a clear investment in your car's appearance and safety. Cloudy headlights don't just look bad, they're a safety hazard. With any of these kits, you can restore clarity, improve nighttime visibility, and save hundreds versus full headlight replacement. Whether you want a multi-step pro system, a quick wipe-on solution, or a drill-powered kit, there's an option here for your car, skill level, and time. Regularly maintaining your headlights with these kits not only boosts aesthetics, but also keeps your driving safer and more confident on the road.